everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Leandro Formiga. This is Tech and Basic channel. Today I want to talk about how to manage your files inside Microsoft SharePoint. If you want to know how to create a site inside Microsoft SharePoint, please click here and watch my first video. So if you want to learn how you can manage files inside Microsoft SharePoint, stay here with me. So let's go start our lab. Hello everyone, here we are inside our lab. First of all, we need to open SharePoint Online, okay, and find our site. So let's click on new site. Okay, here is our site. What I need to do first when I want to manage my files, I need to add a library here. Okay, I can add library here in the first page or create a new page to manage the files. Okay, so I want to create a new page, okay, to manage our files, and I will put this page in menu and top of page. Okay, so let's start new page. Okay, blank. Okay, close here, close again. Come on, man. Blank site. Okay, create a page. Okay, I will put the name files. Okay, so I want to find an image to put here on the top banner. Okay, let's go to Google. Banner file. So image. I don't know. Okay. Try. Okay, this is a good image. Let's put it save image. Okay. So to put a new image in Banner, we need to click here, change image. Okay, upload. Okay, let's find the folder. Control design Banner. Okay, here. Okay, this is my banner. So here in this section, I will delete this web part, okay, and I will put a library here. Let me find library, document library. Okay, so I have some libraries here. I needed to choose documents, so it's blank input. Okay, so publish, close. Okay, let's put this page in our menu. Okay, let's go see, edit here. Okay, about us, I will put here my link and change to files. Okay, save and refresh our page. Oh, it didn't work. Let's try again. Copy the URL, edit, let's create a new menu. Paste here. Files. Okay. Save. Okay, files is here. Let's click home and try files. Okay, this is our page. Let's start create a new folder. Okay, let's project. Documents. Let's grill documents. Fonts. Great. Okay. I created 3 folders. Okay, to manage my files. I want to upload files. For example, real documents. Okay, you need to click here and click upload files. You can upload one file or a folder. Okay, let's upload a folder. Select folder. You can let me find a folder. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Upload. Okay. This is my first folder. I have one file here, an image. Okay. So let me upload a file to photos. Okay, that's it. Can you see how easy it is manage files inside Microsoft SharePoint Online? In next video I will show you how you can configuring OneDrive client to synchronize information files inside your computer. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, thank you so much. Hello everyone, it was a simple video how you can manage your files inside Microsoft SharePoint Online. If you like this video, please click here, like this video and subscribe my channel. Help me to improve my knowledge network, okay? So I see you inside Tech in Base channel. Bye bye.